Hi, this is Phil from PDQ Merchant Enterprises and ATM Mastermind group page, and in today's video we're going to do a special request. One of our customers, somebody in the ATM Mastermind group page, they asked, how do I deal with annoying customers, Phil? So we're going to specialize in the 5 points to deal with that situation. Always remember, here at PDQ Merchant Enterprises and the ATM Mastermind group page, we buy your freedom back one transaction at a time. Don't forget to join our ATM Mastermind group page that's free to join for like-minded individuals just like yourself who want to learn a little bit more about the ATM business and be in a community of other ATM business owners. Don't forget, we have the ATM A to Z book that we teach you from A to Z how to be successful in the ATM business. You can click the link below, it'll take you right to the Amazon website, and we teach you from A to Z how to be successful in the ATM business. We also have the ATM A to Z program that teaches you from A to Z how to be successful in the ATM business. We've got over 70 videos that teach you through the process. You can learn on your own speed with an additional coaching call by yours truly to help you on your ATM journey. All right, so here we go. The top 5 ways to deal with an annoying customer. I didn't say that, they said that, but I'm just giving you what was done. Point number 1. Here's what you got to do. You got to set up the situation, the deal in the beginning, and you got to set it up right. So here's how you do that. What you got to do is you got to set the expectation up properly in the beginning. And this is what you say. Look, you are a cash-only business. Your customers need cash because you don't take credit cards. The reason you don't take credit cards is because you want to avoid those fees. And most of the time it's anywhere from 3 to 4%. So the store owner is saving 3 to 4% for the money that we dispense out of the ATM. The other thing is you got to let your customer know is that here's what, instead of them leaving your business and going across the street or down the street, you're providing a cash solution right there in the store. So now if his customers need money for his services, they go over to your ATM, they take out money and they spend it in his spot. What you're doing is you're providing that convenience. Now you're also paying him a little bit of commission to provide that service. So he's saving the 3%. He's getting, statistical analysis says he's getting somewhere about 80% of the cash that comes out of that ATM is spent right there in his business. So he's getting all that and he doesn't have to pay for that service. And on top of that, you're paying him a commission. Is it a get-rich-quick scheme for him? No, it's not. It's a convenience for his customer. And that's how you got to set it up from the jump for him. Now, if you do that, now he'll get, oh yeah, it's not a money-making scheme. All it is a way for me to save on credit card processing fees and provide a convenience for my customers. That's the expectation. So you got to do that right off the beginning. Point number 2, what else I got to do, Phil? Point number 2 is you got to solidify that conversation that you just had with the location agreement that spells out the details of what you talked about. We're going to provide the ATM. We're going to pay you by the 10th of the month. We're going to provide service on there. We're going to keep it stocked. We're going to pay you this commission. Again, you're not going to get rich, Mr. Store Owner, but we are going to provide that convenience. And then you honor that by the location agreement. A lot of guys out there in the industry say, oh, I'm a handshake guy. That's no problem, except for here. When the store owner pushes you back is what we're trying to avoid. How to deal with annoying store owners. Again, not my language, but how do we deal with that? We solidify what we talked about in the beginning with a location agreement that clearly spells out what you're going to do. And it locks into that deal that you made in the beginning. And the deal you made in the beginning is you're going to provide a service, you're going to provide a commission, and you're the ATM owner, you're going to be able to make money because you got money invested in his store. So that honors that agreement, at least for a given period of time. And then after that, you can renegotiate with that store owner if they think that they need to get more commission. Number 3, you got to be able to walk away. We talk to students all the time. We talk to people all the time that say, Phil, I got a store owner. They want $2 out of my $3. They want $2. They want me to push it to 4. Look, if it doesn't work out, then you got to walk away. A lot of times, here's what happens is I had a perfect situation. I had a breakfast place who was open from 5 a.m. to 2 p.m. 7 days a week, and we went and we talked to them. And here's what this guy did. This guy wanted 50% of the commission. He told me, hey, I want to put it only at $2 and I want $1 and you can get $1, Phil. And I said, okay, well, here's our agreement. And he said, oh, wait a minute, I don't want to sign a location agreement. And so, wait, you want me to put my ATM in, you want half the proceeds, and you don't want to sign anything, forget it. I'm out. So I was able to walk away. Now, I did see value in that location, but not for me. I don't like being muscled and I don't like being pushed around. But I talked to somebody else, a student in the area, and they said, you know what, I'll take that deal. And they put their deal. They're making money. They're not making what I wanted to make, but they're making something. They're happy, no location agreement, and they have to give 50%. And at any time that store owner can say, get out, and that doesn't work for me because he put himself in a position of weakness. I don't want to do that. I put our company in a position of strength because I don't want to be muscled. So I know going in, I need that location agreement, and I'm okay to walk away because I don't want to deal with that situation down the line when he tells me to get out. So number 4, control the deal. That's what we do. We tell them what we're going to do. We tell them that we're going to have paperwork for them to sign. I'm not afraid to walk away. I control the whole deal from start to finish. I don't like getting muscled, and I control that deal. You guys got to learn how to control the deal. Once you learn how to control the deal, then you don't have to deal with what we're talking about here, somebody who's pushing you around and you don't know how to act. You got to set it up in the beginning right and control the deal throughout the whole process. And point number 5, ask yourself, be realistic. Am I a good ATM operator? Am I doing the right things? I see it all the time. ATMs are out of service, they're out of money all the time. Ask yourself, hey, am I keeping my ATM full? If they call me, do a respond to service. Is that why they want more? Is because I'm not doing a good job, or is it some other reason? What's those reasons? And then don't let yourself get in those positions again. So just be truthful with yourself, make sure you're doing the right things, and make sure you're a great ATM operator. And if you are, then don't worry about that because they're just trying to do the best they can for their business, and you have to push back, set it up right in the beginning so you can control the deal, so you can make the most money for yourself, your family, and while you're in the business, you got to remember, we're trying to add value to our family, create generational wealth. Those are reasons. So these little things happen, but you just got to recognize them, and you know what? Don't put yourself in that position. So don't forget to like and subscribe down below on our YouTube channel. Thank you guys for smashing that like button. Share it with any and all your friends. Comment down below of other videos that you like to make or questions you had about this one. Don't forget to join the ATM Mastermind Group page. That, again, it's free to join for like-minded individuals just like yourself. And don't forget, PDQ Merchant Enterprises, we sell ATMs, we process transactions, and we have parts. So thank you guys very much, and I'll see you over at the ATM Mastermind Group page.